As I mentioned at the start of this class, I'll be showing my examples mostly using MATLAB. I know we've looked at the course developer. Arpan has worked on being able to do it in Octave or also in Python using various image manipulation and OpenCV. But what I'm going to do is show you filtering in MATLAB. And basically, MATLAB makes it trivial to build filters and apply filters. So in MATLAB, what we're going to do is we're going to define two things. We're going to define the size of the kernel. Remember, that's what we talked about before. So in this case, it's going to be a 31 by 31. Again, odd, so I can put a center pixel down. I'm going to have a sigma of 5. And MATLAB has this really great little function called fspecial. And obviously, it's special, or they would call it something else. In fspecial, you can give it parameters, one of which is the type of filter you'd like. You can give it the size and the sigma. You can also give it rectangular size and multiple sigmas. It will build these filters for you. And in fact, MATLAB has this beautiful little function called surf, right, which will plot for you as a surface. And if you do it with the right color map, you would see this. You can also show it as an image. That's what this little picture is right here, all right? But even more importantly, you can take your image, and that's our image here of a panda. I can filter it by this H, which was the filter we just built, and then I can show that. What's that going to look like? It's going to be a blurry panda, okay? This code is all it takes to build your filters and apply them to images in MATLAB. It makes it very easy. Again, depending upon the size of the sigma, we get different amounts of smoothing. So here we're using 3 different sigmas of 1, 3, and 10. We build our Gaussians using the different size sigmas. We filter them and show them, and you see that we get, hardly any blurring, a little more blurring, and a little more blurring. That's all it takes to build these filters in MATLAB.